Need respondents to upload a company logo, profile photo, or another image? With PlatoForms PDF Document Creator, you can add an image upload field directly to your PDF form and customize it to fit your document. Start by selecting the image upload field in your PDF. In the Settings panel, choose the icon respondents will see in the upload area. You can use a camera, image, or profile icon and set its size to small, medium, or large. Next, edit the field label and hint text. The label tells respondents what to upload, while the hint provides any extra instructions they may need. Use the position controls to adjust the label placement. You can also set the label height manually or enable a floating label. Under Font, choose a font and apply bold or italic formatting. Adjust the font size and spacing, then select a color that matches your document. Every change appears instantly in the PDF preview. To style the upload area, open Background and Border. Choose a background color, select which sides have borders, and adjust the border color and width. You can also choose a solid, dashed, or dotted border and change the corner radius to create rounded corners. Use the padding settings to control the space inside the field. You can also adjust the row margins to fine-tune the spacing between the field and the surrounding content. Under Advanced, enable Float, Overlay, to position the field freely anywhere on the PDF. When Float Overlay is disabled, the field remains in the standard layout flow and adjusts its position in relation to other fields as you move it. With these settings, you can create a clear, polished image upload field that fits naturally into your PDF form.